going to show you how to insert functions in the Excel app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu like this. From here, we just go into the top row, click on formulas, and then here we have insert function. First, we click in a cell, then we click on insert function, and here we have a bunch of functions which we can insert. Let's see this growth function. Here we have a description of the growth function, and then we can insert it like this. And then we can select data source, and for these, there is an explanation by which you can use this function. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.